Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. Before we do today's analysis on GU, let's do a quick recap on GU. So what were we expecting on GU? But I must say GU played beautifully well guys. Like it played exactly the way I thought it would, and GU was a beautiful trade. So let's just do a quick recap on GU. If you watched my previous analysis on GU, you know that I was expecting GU to push to the downside, right? I think we were around this area right here, and I said that it is wrong for us to actually have an entry around this area right here, because if we do, our stop loss will be run around this area, and that is way too much. That if you're going to continue to sell on GU, we have to be patient for entry. And I said that we should be looking forward to maybe like the 50% fib level, because that is where we had this break of structure right here. So I said there is a possibility that GU might push up to that level right here to retest this level before pushing to the downside to hit my first TP. As you all know, my first TP is always my negative 27% fib level, 1.25895, and we can see that was a beautiful trade. We got to my 50% fib level, we rejected around that area, tanked down to my negative 27% fib level. That was amazing guys. Like GU did not even stress at all. It just did the way we thought it would do, and that was about 74 pips guys. That was a beautiful trade on GU. And just like you know, right, whenever we get to my negative 27% fib level, there's an higher chance based on my strategy that it's gonna reverse. And what happens, right, we can see we hit that level right here and we started tanking to the upside. And that is why I say whenever you get to that level, be very mindful, because we might reverse. So those can be like, oh, since we are seeing momentum of sale, let me just continue to ride the trade. They will have been in lost, because we can see that it tanks up until I've probably hit your stop loss right around that area right there. And that is why it's not good to be greedy in the market. When you hit your target, just leave the market. So as we can see now, let's reanalyze GU guys. Let's go to my bigger time frame and see. Let's go to my daily time frame and see what GU is doing. So just like I said previously, right, we can see that GU rejected around my negative 27% fib level. It's reversed up to this break of structure right here. This was like pyro price action and pyro analysis that I did right here. So now there is still a possibility for GU to continue to push to the downside, and if we do, this will be our first TP1 will be run around here, which is 1.25509, and my TP2 will be my overall negative 61.8% fib level, which is 1.25283, right? So let's go to more smaller time frame and see what GU is doing. We can see right now that GU is still on a downtrend. Now we are currently rejecting around this GU area right here, which is it. So now GU has given us the third touch of trend line, right? It's giving us a third touch of trend line. So there's a possibility that it might push to the downside. That's a possibility. But like I also said, that we are currently around my negative 27% fib level, which needs a reversal area. Yes, it has reversed around this area right here, but there's still a possibility for it to push to the upside, because if I use my mini fib around here, point A here to point B, we can see, like I mentioned, negative 27% fib level. So based on the fact like that, it reverse, it's gonna give us some sort of like a push like this to the upside. So that is why we have to be mindful, because I see it, right? I see, right? Because as long as we are below this trend line, we are expecting a sell, right? But above this trend line is a buy, right? So for us to actually buy, we have to be patient. Like I said, we have a third touch of it, so there's certainly a possibility of it pushing to the downside. Let's see. I'm not seeing momentum yet, to be honest. It's not giving me, let me go to my solar time frame. It's not giving me enough momentum for sell, to be honest. But just, let me just gonna do my, if you're gonna sell, at least from, oh, sorry, from here to here, let's just do a mini fib right here from point A here to point B. Like I said, it's not giving me something serious. Like it's not beautiful enough, to be honest. So something like this, then push to the downside, TP1, TP2. Let's take it one step at a time. That would be a good one. That would be what I'm looking forward to. So something like this will be one TP1 right here, just like I mentioned, and TP2 around this area right here. If you're going to sell, because I see scenario of it actually buying too. Let's put here. Let me change the color of this one to red. So yeah, which is good. TP1 should be, and TP2 should be somewhere around this area right here. Right here should be TP2, right? But we can see that overall I'm still predicting it to hit something like this, but let's take it one step at a time. But if you're going to buy, like I'm still predicting my buy move to at least come to retest this break of structure right here, because like I said previously, we broke this zone and we haven't gone back there to retest. And certainly that would be a good way for us to actually take profit on. But like I mentioned to you guys, if you want to buy to be safe, let it break this zone, let it break out of this trend line. To be safe, let's break out of this trend line, give us a possible retest or a lower high for us to actually take it. Lower high, right, which is the break of structure right here, giving us this higher high, then retesting some sort to give us the higher low for us to know that it's not a fake out, but a breakout. And that is why we determine how to differentiate between fake out and breakouts, right, by being patient and letting the market direct us. So that what I would have preferred for up before we start buying on GU, guys. So we have to be patient on GU to know our best and next trade, guys. So that is my quick thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.